How to speak fluently in English, how to speak confidently in English. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Do you guys want to speak fluently and confidently in English? Then in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can speak fluently and confidently using these three habits in your day-to-day life. So we'll see step by step how you can speak fluently and confidently. So friend, these are the pillar of speaking any language, whether you learn Japanese, Spanish, English or any other language. These are the pillar of learning any language, right? So I'll share based on my experience and my English learning journey. So let's see. So the first habit you have to include in your daily life, which is consuming content. Now consuming content is very important because we don't live in abroad, we don't live where we don't have we are not surrounded by English environment, right? So so for that reason you have to consume the content, you have to watch videos every single day, right? So watch those videos which you enjoy watching. In my case, when I started watching, when I started consuming content, I was I could not watch for above 5 minutes. I started consuming content from 5 minutes. Then I increased so exactly if you are a beginner, then start consuming content. Start from 5 minutes, watch 5 minute videos, then next day 6 minute video, then 7 days, then gradually improve the time, right? So in that way you will not feel bored, right? So start consuming content. You can watch anything. If you like watching fitness related video or skincare related video or news, then watch in English because it will help you to improve your English. And don't worry if you don't understand everything, just your focus should be consuming the content, right? So this was the first thing I you should do. And the second is reading. Most of the people feel bored while reading, but when I read, I'm a fond of reading books, so I never ever feel bored while reading books. So whether you feel bored or not, just read at least 2-3 pages, right? Because when you read, you know the sentence structure, which is very important, which is very essential for spoken English. So read at least 2-3 pages, and according to your interest, I'll not say exact things. Whatever is your interest, then just read, and read it loud, because when you read, your mouth will get habitual into this language, and at the same time your mind also start working, right? So for that reason, read every single day. And third is speaking, which is very important. Where if you do speak, if you watch or read but you don't speak, then you will never ever become fluent English speaker, right? So for speaking fluently, you have to speak every single. When I was beginner, I had always this thing in my mind that what to speak, which topic should I choose. So you might think this. So start speaking about your room. There are many things about your bed, almirah, and about your study. Anything, speak. Just speak. Don't worry about your mistakes and don't worry about being judged, right? This is very common problem of beginners, so don't worry about it. Now to the point, how you can speak confidently. Most of the people, they have fluency, but because of lack of confidence they cannot speak uh, fluently and confidently. So what you have to do is, for improving your confidence, for building your confidence, just when I had lack of confidence, so what I was doing, I was speaking in front of camera. And trust me, if you speak front of in front of camera, then you will get a lot of confidence. When I started uploading videos, I had no confidence, but gradually I saw significant improvement in my confidence, in my fluency. So I'll not say that upload video on YouTube, but just face the camera, because it will help you to speak confidently. It will boost your confidence. So these were the things which will help you to speak fluently and confidently. So, but it will not happen only one day. You have to be patient and you have to speak, you have to do this every single day, and you will definitely see the result. So, thank you for giving your time. Thank you for watching my video. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.